Hi, I'm Wongster1970, and today I'm going to be removing the handlebars off this 1983 Honda Shadow 750 and installing them on this 1985 Honda Shadow 700. Let's get started. First thing I'm going to be doing is removing the mirrors. These are a 14 millimeter. I'm going to put something over the tank to protect that. These are a 5 millimeter. Disconnect the wires here. Sit that out of the way. I'm going to remove the front brake master cylinder. Wires for your brake light. Sit that out of the way. I need to take off the controls here. It should be a Phillips if I recall correctly. I should be able to pull this, open it up like a clamshell, and just slide it out of the way. Now, I need to get this off, so I'm just gonna remove the choke cable from there. And now that side's good. I'm gonna have to get that grip off too. But I think what I'm gonna do is try to slide this screwdriver underneath it. See if it'll come off. Oh, right off there. Good old PB. Now I can remove these. And I'm going to do the same on this side. Should be 2 Phillips in here. Well, I'm going to have to loosen, I'm going to have to cut this cable tie off. I'm going to loosen the handlebars up, pull them up, and then I should be able to get this whole thing off. Yep, 5 millimeter Allen. Just drop some. There we go. If I pull this down far enough, I can get the throttle off of it. There we go. Now I just have to go clean these up a little bit, and then I'll put them on the other bike. Here we are with the 1985 Honda Shadow VT 700C. I'm going to take everything off of this one, and then hopefully just transfer everything over to the other one. So first thing I'm going to do is cut off these cable ties. I'm going to remove this. This is my phone holder. Remove my voltmeter. Move that out of the way. 17. Yep. That over here. These are an 8 millimeter. Nice. Move that out of the way. to slide the whole thing off. Do the same thing as I did on the 700 or 750 there. Spray a little bit down in there. Whoa, that fell off. There we go. I'm going to try to sit that back with that. 2 8mm hold this on. I already have the mirror removed from this side. It should have an up on it. Yep. Set this out of my way. Got that so far. I need to get my 5mm, 6mm. Remove these 4 bolts. It's tight. Okay, let's move that out of the way. Slide that off. There we go. There's the one off the 500. Got that nice and cleaned up. Just a little bit on there. A little bit goes a long way when it comes to anti-seize. Now there's a little dot on the handlebar here that will line up with this top edge. Getting that back on there. Now, bring this back up. Torque values for these bolts are 14 to 22 foot-pounds. I'm setting them to 15. There we go. So for this, should be a hole in the handlebar. There's a tab in the bottom here. Find it. Pretty good. Now the front, I'm going to reinstall the front brake master cylinder. And there's a dot on here also that it will line up with. Seems that seems okay. Could be back a little bit further, but that's about all I have. Okay, there's 7. This will slide up over there. Slide this up over here. temporarily. I have to remove these wires temporarily. There we go. That's not moving anywhere. Now this. We'll go back to here. Seven foot-pounds. There we go. I'm going to be installing these custom grips, just like the ones that I took off. PA 086200CR02-102. One side is definitely bigger than the other one. I'm going to be spraying some of this super clean inside of the handle grip so I can slide it up on. Shouldn't take much. And there we go. Hopefully that dries on there. And then I gotta see if I can get this other one off. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get in up underneath here, like I did before. And with any luck, it'll slide off. And there we go. A little bit of PB on her. And that's working. There we go. I had to use a little PB on that one to get it on. Mount for my voltmeter back on. If it'll fit there. Should. There we go. She's not going anywhere. Working. Gotta hook the wire connectors up on here. And I have a new set of mirrors I'm going to put on this. These are the mirrors. They are X002EBH2DR. Picked these up off of Amazon. I just have to adjust them out then. And I think that should be everything. I want to forget this. I think that should be good. I get these mirrors adjusted out. That should do it. Well, that'll do it for installing the handlebar off of the 750 on the 85 VT 700. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.